Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're stepping into the world of bold design, electrifying performance, and luxury innovation with the 2026 Cadillac Lyriq-V. This is not your average electric SUV, this is Cadillac's high-performance vision brought to life, combining the sophistication of the Lyriq with the muscle and sport DNA of the V series. If you thought electric luxury couldn't be thrilling, this car is here to change your mind. Let's take a detailed look at everything the 2026 Lyriq-V has to offer. Body panels. The Lyriq-V wears an assertive and athletic silhouette, sculpted with sharp creases, floating roof accents, and a dynamic shoulder line that flows from the front fender to the rear quarter. The panels are constructed with lightweight aluminum and composite materials, allowing for structural rigidity while improving energy efficiency. Aerodynamic design cues, like side air curtains and a reshaped underbody, aren't just for show, they improve range and high-speed stability. The wider stance and lowered suspension exclusive to the V series create a more planted and aggressive presence on the road. Headlights. Framing the bold front fascia are the vertical LED blade headlights, now with adaptive IntelliBeam and smoked housing for a more aggressive look. The lighting system dynamically adjusts its intensity and direction based on vehicle speed, weather, and nearby traffic. A welcome animation greets the driver with a pulsating light show, making each entry into the vehicle feel cinematic. These headlights aren't just smart, they make a powerful design statement while significantly enhancing nighttime safety. Taillights. At the rear, the Lyriq-V features multi-layered LED taillights that stretch into the rear hatch, creating a visually wide and futuristic profile. The split vertical elements mirror the front lights for a unified visual identity. When braking or signaling, the taillights perform smooth sequential animations that are both eye-catching and highly visible to other drivers. Form meets function here in typical Cadillac fashion. Grille. Instead of a traditional open grille, the Lyriq-V boasts a dramatic illuminated black crystal shield panel. This closed-off panel not only conceals sensors for the driver assist systems but also lights up in a sequence that is exclusive to V models. Gloss black accents and an illuminated V emblem in the grille make it clear this isn't just any Lyriq, it's something fiercer. Despite being a fully electric vehicle, the grille area is aerodynamically functional, directing air through the lower intake for cooling key components. Seats. Inside the Lyriq-V, you're met with performance-bolstered front seats, wrapped in premium semi-aniline leather with Alcantara inserts. These seats offer 18-way power adjustments, including adjustable thigh support and lumbar control. They're both heated and ventilated, and the massage functionality offers several presets for a long drive relaxation. Contrast stitching in Redor Blue, along with embossed V-Series logos, adds a performance flavor to the luxury interior. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom, reclining seats, and optional rear seat heating. Dashboard. The dashboard is a study in modern minimalism and precision craftsmanship. A multi-textured surface flows across the cabin, featuring piano black trim, genuine wood or carbon fiber inlays, and ambient lighting built into the seams. This lighting system changes hue depending on drive mode and can be customized with over 20 color combinations. The design is clean, elegant, and futuristic, exactly what you'd expect from Cadillac's next-gen flagship. Infotainment system. Stretching across the dash is Cadillac's stunning 33-inch curved OLED display that merges the driver's instrument cluster and central infotainment system. The resolution is crystal clear, offering vibrant graphics and responsive touch controls. It runs Google built-in, giving you native access to Google Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also supported. A custom V performance interface gives drivers real-time data like acceleration, torque split, G-forces, and battery temperatures. Pair that with the AKG Studio 19 speakers surround sound system, and the Lyriq-V turns every commute into an immersive experience. Steering wheel. The 3-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather and features capacitive controls for infotainment, voice assistant, and driving functions. Behind it sit aluminum paddle shifters, which in this case adjust the regenerative braking levels rather than gear shifts. The steering wheel also includes a V-mode shortcut button that immediately sharpens throttle response, tightens steering, and firms up the adaptive dampers, transforming the car's behavior in an instant. Engine. Under the floor lies the Lyriq-V's beating heart, a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, powered by GM's latest Ultium battery platform. Together, the motors produce an estimated 580 horsepower and 640 pounds-feet of torque, rocketing the Lyriq-V from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Performance tuning includes a rear-biased torque distribution, high-performance traction management, and recalibrated adaptive suspension, all working in harmony to make the Lyriq-V feel agile, balanced, and confident on the road. Hybrid option. The Lyriq-V is a fully electric vehicle, and Cadillac has made no hybrid variant. That's because it doesn't need one, as the Ultium platform is built to deliver power, range, and refinement without compromise. A 102 kWh battery pack provides an estimated 325 miles of range, while DC fast charging up to 350 kW allows for about 76 miles of range in 10 minutes. Whether you're commuting or cruising on long highway stretches, the Lyriq-V delivers performance without the pump. Airbags. When it comes to safety, Cadillac goes above and beyond. The Lyriq-V is equipped with 9 airbags, including front, side, curtain, and front center airbags to prevent occupant-to-occupant impact during a side collision. Add to that the reinforced safety cage, crash absorption zones, and advanced sensors, and you get top-tier passive safety in every direction. Parking assist. The Lyriq-V comes with enhanced automatic parking assist, which uses ultrasonic sensors, 360-degree cameras, and smart algorithms to steer the vehicle into parking spaces a parallel or perpendicular with minimal input. The HD surround vision system offers bird's-eye, curb, and rear trailer views, while rear cross-traffic braking and automatic emergency braking add extra layers of protection. You can even park the Lyriq remotely using Cadillac's mobile app, because why not? Price. And now for the big question, how much does all this cost? The 2026 Cadillac Lyriq-V starts at an estimated $79,990, placing it squarely in the premium performance EV market. Fully optioned with premium packages and exclusive paint finishes, it can reach around $89,000. For that price, you are getting exhilarating performance, futuristic design, next-level tech, and Cadillac's most refined electric driving experience yet, making it a compelling rival to European electric performance SUVs. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth look at the 2026 Cadillac Lyriq-V, a car that blends American luxury, cutting-edge technology, and performance DNA into one thrilling package. If you're excited about the future of electric performance, the Lyriq-V is proof that it's already here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and detailed breakdowns of the world's most exciting cars. Until next time, stay charged, stay curious, and enjoy the drive.